nke taa anyị ga-amụta ụfọdụ okwu eji aka emebe. Anyị na-ekwu ụmụ okwu ahụ eji aka emebe, anyị na-atụgharị ha n'asụsụ Igbo. Anyị ga-esi na Bekee bata n'Igbo. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making sentences with the hand. Alright, so as we're making our sentences with the hand, we'll be explaining the meaning in Igbo language. So please sit back, you will learn something. Alright, okay, today the first sentence we're going to make with hand is my hands are clean. My hands are clean. Now the meaning in Igbo language is akam di ocha. Akam di ocha. So guys, welcome back. So the next sentence is I have two hands. I have two hands. In Igbo language you say enwere m aka abụọ. Enwere m aka abụọ. You can see I have two hands, so it means enwere m aka abụọ in Igbo language. Alright guys, the next sentence is his hands are not clean. His hands are not clean. In Igbo language you say aka ya adịghị ọcha. Aka ya adịghị ọcha. The next sentence is I want to wash my hands. I want to wash my hands. In Igbo language you say achọrọ m ịkwọ aka m. Achọrọ m ịkwọ aka m. Now the next sentence is come and wash your hands. Come and wash your hands. In Igbo language you say bịa kwọọ aka gị. Bịa kwọọ aka gị. Bịa kwọọ aka gị. Alright guys, the next sentence is I need a helping hand. I need a helping hand. In Igbo language you say achọrọ m enyemaka. Achọrọ m enyemaka. I need a helping hand. Achọrọ m enyemaka. Now this is another sentence, okay, that relates to hand and help. Yes, whenever you're talking of hand, it's either you're talking of helping or you understand, but it's related to, it's also related to it. Okay, now the next sentence is please will you help me? Please will you help me? This is a question. Now in Igbo language you say biko ị ga-enyere m aka. Biko ị ga-enyere m aka. Alright guys, please this is where we'll end our lesson for today on this channel, Adaeze TV. I remain your TV presenter on this channel, Adaeze. Oh no. Please remember to click on the subscribe button and on the like button on this video, and also share my videos on this channel to your friends and family. Also let them know that I teach Igbo language online. And if there is anyone that wants to enroll their kids for lessons, please do contact me on 08064535633 or 07081871518. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to click on the subscribe button and